Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. Stackable's design library is a collection of beautiful, customizable block designs, UI kits, and wireframes that you can easily add into the block editor to build your website. No more struggling with complex codes or spending hours on design. Stackable simplifies everything. When you open up the design library, you can choose to view the available block designs, UI kits, and wireframes that Stackable has to offer. Click on Block Designs and it will open up a list of ready-made blocks categorized into sections you can create in your website. You have block designs for call to action sections, hero sections, pricing tables, testimonials, and so much more. Just click on the block design that you like, and it will instantly be added to your page. Next, let's see what you can do with Stackable's UI kits. Each UI kit contains a curated set of block designs that adhere to a specific theme and color palette, ensuring your website maintains a cohesive and visually unified look. Just click on the block designs from the UI kit of your choice to add it to your page. Using Stackable's UI kits can save you loads of time. The best part is that once you add a block design or UI kit, you can continue to customize it to match your brand style. Last in the design library are wireframes. Wireframes in web design are blueprints that outline the layout and structure of a website. You can browse through the categories for wireframes to choose the most suitable block layouts for your page design. Add wireframes to start building out your page, and when you're done, you can begin customizing the way they look. If you have any default block designs saved, the wireframes added will use them. Explore Stackable's design library and use our block designs, UI kits, and wireframes to simplify your design process and make your websites cohesive. Enjoy the creative possibilities and elevate your web designs today. Happy stacking! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.